Imagine finishing work just as the sun rises, leaving your entire day free for appointments, family time, or simply soaking up the daylight. For many of us, our peak productivity happens after hours, and overnight remote jobs turn that into a lifestyle. As the workforce embraces flexibility, the demand for night shift roles, from IT and cybersecurity to customer support, has surged. At its core, an overnight remote job requires you to work during non-traditional hours, often anywhere from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. This 24/7 economy is driven by global businesses, cybersecurity needs, and round-the-clock e-commerce. In fact, hackers don't rest, so companies need security operations center analysts monitoring threats at all hours. Telehealth platforms require nurses and patient coordinators overnight, and global logistics depends on remote dispatchers and coordinators. The most common overnight roles include customer support specialists, who field calls and chats from around the world, systems monitors and IT support, ensuring servers and networks never sleep, content moderators, keeping online communities safe 24/7, and freelance writers or designers, who align their schedules with clients in other time zones. These are not low-level gigs. They're essential, skilled positions, often offering pay on par with daytime roles. Why the boom? 3 key drivers fuel this trend. First, globalization. Companies hire talent across continents to cover every time zone. Second, the always-on economy. From streaming services to global finance, demand never stops. Third, employees clamoring for better work-life integration, especially parents and night owls. Technology underpins it all. High-speed internet, secure cloud platforms, and collaboration tools make overnight teamwork seamless. Sectors hiring heavily for night shift roles include information technology, with titles like NOC analyst or cloud support engineer, healthcare and telehealth for remote patient monitoring and medical coding, e-commerce and customer service, handling global orders, logistics and supply chain, coordinating shipments, and media and communications, covering news and social platforms. Succeeding in an overnight role takes more than being a night owl. You need self-discipline, carving structure out of the quiet hours, proactive communication, leaving clear handoffs for daytime teams, independence and problem-solving, troubleshooting without immediate support, tech savviness, mastering remote work platforms, and adaptability, switching gears when priorities shift. To find your perfect overnight job, use niche remote work boards like HireBasis, optimize your resume with keywords such as night shift, and follow the sun support, and leverage LinkedIn by specifying your off-hours availability. Network in remote work communities on Reddit or Slack, and prepare for interviews focused on your autonomy and remote work habits. Working overnight from home isn't just a schedule, it's a lifestyle choice that aligns work to your natural rhythm and life obligations. If you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and embrace a career that fits you, explore the growing world of overnight remote roles. Your new workday may begin when others are winding down.